To understand these creatures, we need to start with one powerful concept: evolution. Evolution is the process through which living organisms slowly change over time to survive in their environment. Imagine living in complete darkness, thousands of meters below the ocean's surface. No sunlight, extreme pressure, very little food. In such conditions, only the most adapted creatures survive. Over millions of years, these creatures develop unusual features: large eyes to see in darkness, sharp teeth to grab rare prey, flexible bodies to survive pressure. What may look scary to us is actually a survival strategy. In fact, many deep-sea creatures look like aliens simply because they evolved in a world completely different from ours. So the question is not, why are they scary? The real question is, how did they manage to survive at all? Now, let's talk about one of the most fascinating abilities in nature: glowing in the dark. This phenomenon is called bioluminescence. Some creatures can produce their own light using chemical reactions inside their bodies. But why would they do that? The answer is survival. In the deep ocean, where sunlight never reaches, light becomes a powerful tool. Some creatures use light to attract prey, communicate with others, confuse predators, hide using counter-illumination. One famous example is the anglerfish. It has a glowing lure hanging from its head. When smaller fish see the light, they get attracted to it. And in a split second, they become the prey. What looks beautiful is actually deadly. What if you could disappear whenever you wanted? For some creatures, this is not imagination. It's reality. Camouflage is the ability to blend into the environment. Some animals can change their color, texture, and even shape to match their surroundings. This helps them avoid predators, ambush prey, survive in dangerous environments. Creatures like octopuses are masters of camouflage. They don't just change color, they can also change the texture of their skin to look like rocks, sand, or coral. In a matter of seconds, they become almost invisible. To us, it feels like magic, but in reality, it's advanced biology. Sometimes, nature doesn't follow the usual rules. Small changes in DNA, known as mutations, can create completely new traits. Most mutations are harmless. Some are dangerous, but a few can give creatures a survival advantage. Over time, these rare advantages can shape entire species. This is how unusual and sometimes strange-looking creatures come into existence. Even though mutations sound random, they play a key role in evolution. Without mutations, life would never change. And without change, survival would be impossible. Now, let's talk about the creature I mentioned in the short video. A creature that can do something almost unbelievable: the octopus. Unlike most animals, octopuses have soft bodies with no rigid skeleton. This allows them to squeeze through tiny spaces, change their body shape instantly, escape predators in impossible ways. But that's not all. They also have highly advanced intelligence. Some scientists believe octopuses are among the most intelligent invertebrates on Earth. They can solve problems, open jars, and even recognize patterns. Even today, researchers are still studying how their brains work. It's almost as if they are from another world, and yet they are right here on Earth. So, next time you see a scary creature, don't think of it as a monster. Think of it as a masterpiece of science. Every strange feature, every unusual behavior, is the result of millions of years of survival and adaptation. Nature is not trying to scare us. It is simply doing what it does best: evolving. And maybe the real mystery is not the creatures, but how much we still don't understand about them. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and stay curious.